is a totally different day today. All new makeup. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how I did this, go ahead and leave a comment and make sure you subscribe. But today I'm gonna be showing you guys, I'm gonna be exposing my big ass forehead. You can probably land a 747 on. This has an extra landing strip that my friend said.a said was just the boarding station, but you know. Anyways, I'm exposing myself right now and I'm gonna show you guys my actual hair. So I'm gonna take this out. This is my little thing. What do you call it? What do you call it? Clips, whatever. I have my wig right here. Actually, before I take off and expose my big ass forehead, I want to show you guys what I'm gonna be wearing. Oh god, my hair, see, it just sticks around. This is the Lit Unicorns wig in Aries. I got it off of Lit Unicorns. You can go ahead, I'll put the link below to this wig. Also use the code StormStranger for a little discount on your purchase. I will also put a link in the description. If you press that, you'll get 15% off on your purchase, on any purchase that you make on Lit Unicorn. So today I'm going to be applying this wig onto this head, my big ass head. I love these wigs. The only thing I don't like about them is there is no comb on the inside, so I can't lash it on there, but it's okay. This is not the type of wig that you put up in a ponytail, so it's not really that necessary. Yeah, I just have to put these little straps on, make sure it's the size of my head. Okay, so now I got it like this. Okay, now this is the fun part. So this is my hair. It literally just sticks up by itself. I don't care what you guys say. I'll make fun of myself. But this is my hair. So for those who are wondering if I'm bald, no, I'm not. Just right over here in this section, I have a receding hairline. I need to go to Zane and Heath's hair plug doctor and see what's up. I'm gonna be wearing, I have just a regular little wig cap. I'm sorry, I'm getting over a cold. Why this video has not been posted right away, and it's a different day. So I have the sniffles and I have a little bit of a cough. I'm okay, I don't have COVID, I don't think. So I'm gonna put this wig cap on my head, and since I don't have much hair, I usually just put it back and then kind of tie it like that and sneak it underneath. Normally people would have to braid their hair because I wasn't born with thick hair at all. Very thin hair, doesn't grow. I haven't cut my hair in over 10 years, so that's cool. So this is what I'd look like if I were bald. And if you're guys wondering if I'd ever shave my head, there are two scenarios where I would shave my head. The first scenario, which I hope to God never happens, because I don't wish cancer on anyone, but if anybody that any of my loved ones or any of my close friends got cancer and had to shave their head, I'd do it with them. Or if I was offered a lot of money to shave my head for a movie, that's the only way I'd shave my head. I mean, Natalie Portman shaved her head and she looked fine. People compared me to her when I was younger. I don't see it at all, whatever. That and Angelina Jolie, but whatever. Those two are goddesses. So no, I'm not comparing myself to them. I'm saying people have in the past, and I question them just like you're questioning me right now. Today I'm gonna be doing the handy dandy got to be glue, screaming, hold, styling, sparkle, spiking glue. And then this, which is kind of empty. I don't know how much I can get out of it, but it is the same one like this, but it is the sprayed version. I'm gonna be doing this as the way I do it, so if you want to criticize me, go ahead, have fun. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing half the time, so this is a botched tutorial. Right now what I'm gonna do, I am going to take this thick layer and just put it, oh, it's so cold. I just paste it all around my forehead. I try not to get some on my forehead itself. I just kind of keep it on the wig cap because I have makeup on already, so sometimes the makeup mixes in with the glue and it makes it like a pasty weird color and it just doesn't look right. So what I do is I put a thin layer on my skin and I just leave that there. But first I'm gonna do my wig cap, glue that down. Now this glue is sex proof. If you follow me on Instagram or on Snapchat, I have posted all my stories. You can even check on my highlight section, the wig section on my Instagram. I actually am showing you guys how I take off my wig, which is not the proper way to take off a wig. You're not supposed to just peel it off and rip all the baby hairs out and brain cells and skin, and you know, it's just a whole, It's a whole thing. You're supposed to just take it off with water and, you know, do it the right way. But when I take off my wigs, it's usually late at night. I don't give a fuck and I just take it off and toss it. Don't even put it up. I don't take care of anything that I own. Now I'm gonna go in, ooh, this is really cold. Now I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be glue. I'm just gonna spray. There we go, it's coming out, hell yeah. Now I gotta let it dry a little bit so it gets a little bit tacky. And while we do that, I'm gonna get my wig all nice. Oh, it's dripping. Get my wig all nice and brushed. I've worn this many times and it's still in good shape. Like I said, I don't take care of my shit very well. So when I say it's in good shape, that should be a surprise. Ah, it's dripping down my head. Yeah, I put a little bit too much on. See, I told you, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Is this really a tutorial or is this just like what not to do when you put on a wig? Sorry, I'm trying to put these little hooks in here. They don't really stay in very well. I don't like these little hook thingies. I wish my head to just be big enough to fit this, but it's not that big. Who am I kidding? My head is huge. Do you see this? Okay, so now I take the wig. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing this probably the wrong way. Oh, it came loose. See, I don't like, you little fucker. Okay. It's there. Don't snap. But behind the head. Okay. Now, I'm not good with baby hair. I do not know how to do baby hairs very well. I tried to cut these baby hairs. These wigs don't come with natural baby hairs. They come with long sections. I'm gonna take my dollar store toothbrush, because you know me in the Dollar Tree. I am just gonna like try to lay this down and get these little baby hairs up here, which I cut short because I don't like when hair, especially wig hair, gets in my face. Okay, see, now I'm gonna move this up a little bit more and the glue's already sticking. Okay, I don't usually, wait, let me try to use the combs. Okay, I'll use the combs right there. Sometimes the combs, when I use the combs and the wigs, I get headaches. I don't know if anyone else experiences headaches from wearing wigs. It's probably because I don't wear them the right way or I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I mean, usually people compliment me when I wear wigs and they're like, oh my god, that was a wig. Yeah, I dyed my hair red and this is the only time I can go out because it will not stay red. No one is naturally this color, okay? If you see somebody with this kind of hair where it's so red from here down, they either just dyed it or they don't wash their hair. I bet you, if you put a bucket of water over that bitch with red hair, it will leak. Okay, so I did whatever I could do. I'm gonna give pros and cons about these wigs. I love these wigs, okay? Lit Unicorns is my lifesaver. They made me, you know, catfish extreme. Look at me now. I don't look like I did like 30 seconds ago. Hair just makes a big difference. I'm very picky with my wigs just because sometimes if you go out there and you buy wigs, especially off of Amazon, a lot of them are from China and the order doesn't go through correctly. I actually spent about $400 or $500 on 3 human hair blonde wigs that said they were lace front, and this is what lace front looks like, where it has a natural lace, a natural look to it, and they came horrible. So I got 2 blonde wigs, which I cannot find right now, and an auburn one, which looks completely different in the picture. If I could find the link to these wigs, just show you what the description is, you guys would be astonished. But this was a couple years ago. I've never wore this wig before, and this is why. This is not how wigs are supposed to be made. I'm sorry, but does that look natural to you? Whoever the fuck made this is real hair. Feels like real hair, so it's not gonna tangle and get all frizzy at the ends like all synthetic hairs do. Doesn't matter about the wig company. Stitch, shut up! I'm gonna wait for my dog to just stop barking so I can make this fucking video. So yeah, this is a real hair wig, probably around 300. Since it's real hair, it feels beautiful, feels gorgeous. Stitch, shut up. But this right here, this is not it. So I can't wear this unless I wear a hat over it. And it's a cute color. I mean, it's cute. It's an orange, cute color. But be careful when you buy wigs online. Another thing. I have people in my Instagram DMs trying to get me to be a part of their businesses. I want you to buy a bunch of our stuff and and pretend to like it and put it on your Instagram. Okay, I only have 2,000 followers on my private Instagram. I'm not gonna do shit for your business. I'm sorry. So don't even waste your time on me. Another thing is stop calling me dear. Hello, dear. Are you there, dear? Somebody wants to send me a bunch of extensions. I don't even wear extensions, so I don't need them. But there's a whole thing about it is they don't just want to send it to you. You have to buy the shipping. Everything's free, but the shipping's $30. And the hair that comes out is like this. It's not what it says in the description, ever. So if you're looking for wigs, be careful on Amazon. Be careful. Lit Unicorns has great synthetic wigs, and I'm pretty sure they have a real hair wig too, which I think is like around $600. I don't know, which you would think, oh my god, $600 is a lot of money for a wig. Actually, you know, it's a good deal because usually human hair wig, the ones that you see Nikita Dragon and Beyonce and all these people wearing, those are worth $2 to $3 grand. You look those up, those are some real bitch looking wigs. You can wear that shit and it looks so natural. I mean, these look pretty natural. It's just the texture of the hair. Lit Unicorns has great synthetic hair. I'm not gonna bash on them, but any synthetic hair. Have you ever played with a Barbie before? Have you ever had a Barbie and her hair was perfect all the fucking time? No, because that Barbie has synthetic hair. I put my Barbie in the washer once and the dryer. That was a mistake. Fucking thing melted. Most synthetic hair, it takes a lot to melt. Barbie hair is different. That's all just plastic. But a lot of synthetic hair, especially these ones, you can straighten. I straightened this. I've crimped it, but this has been worn. I haven't even washed this in a long time. But if you want to have a wig that looks super natural, feels natural, acts natural, then go ahead and invest on a real hair wig. And if you want a good one, get one from Lit Unicorns. You don't have to spend $2 grand or $3 grand on a fucking wig. When I wear wigs, I want to wear a whole bunch of them. I don't want to just wear one. I want to change it up all the time. But I'm too broke to afford $2,000 wigs at each time. So yes, I'll splurge $600 on a real hair wig eventually, and I will get it from Lit Unicorns. Yeah, that was my video. Thank you guys for watching. My next video is gonna be my next video after this is gonna be my get ready with me, choosing an outfit or whatever those fucking influencer bitches do. I don't know. I'm out of ideas on what kind of videos to make. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that button. That's the color of my hair. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you share it with anybody who is interested in wigs or wants to start wearing wigs, or just, yeah, you know what to fucking do. You know the drill that all these influencers tell you to do. My name is Storm Stranger, and I try to post every week. Don't really have a schedule yet, but I'll be posting on Sunday very soon. I hope to see you guys then. Bye.